Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to join Brookhaven Discord server. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. Now all you have to do is open up your Discord, then at the bottom you will see add a server. You want to click on that, then join a server. And here all you need to do is write down discord.gg/Brookhaven and join a server. And now, as you can see, you're already here on this server. Now you need to go ahead and click on these answers and click finish. After that, you will see all of this here where you can go ahead and click on global chat and some big events and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it, how you join it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.